Hey guys, most of the times we're installing parts that break on their own. This time we're going to install something that didn't break. We're going to install this ahead of time. I got a set of short tube headers sent over to me from DynoVox. Thanks fellas. The exhaust manifolds are just fine on this thing. I did take a look ahead of time and it is missing both rear bolts on this thing. I'm not sure why, but it is. So we're going to go ahead and address that while we're in there. So let's go ahead and jump on this thing and see if we can get these short tube headers on there. Maybe it's going to sound better. They're definitely going to look better. So let's get after it. Looks like they're packed in there pretty good. Looks like it's got all the gaskets. And looks like we got all the bolts that we need. So gaskets, bolts. The headers themselves are beautiful and chrome plated. Those are really thick, 3/8 maybe. Decent looking welds. Beautiful.